Thank you for taking a quick moment to watch this video. My name is Dominique Britton, and I'm the CEO and founder of Celebrity Hair Direct. If you're watching this video, then you're probably on the hunt for quality hair extensions just like I was a few short years ago. See, I understand that finding quality hair extensions, especially online, can be very challenging. It's a gamble to invest and not truly know if the hair you've purchased is actually authentic. I've experienced many disappointments and the loss of hundreds of dollars due to shedding, excessive tangling, and just flat out poor quality hair. You may have actually experienced some of these things too. So today, I want you to be able to test before you invest. You have the right to see the quality of our 100% raw Indian temple hair. You no longer have to waste money or be scammed. I want to send you one of our style sample sets for you to touch, feel, bleach, dye, wash, curl, and even straighten. Our style sample set includes 3 samples from our A-list collection of 100% raw Indian temple hair. That includes our straight, wavy, and curly. Each sample weft is 4 inches long, and coupled with our luxury hair experience guide, you get to perform the 10 tests we use to ensure quality and guarantee 100% raw hair. For one time only today, we'll send you one of our style sample sets for only $20, and that includes free shipping. This offer is not available on our public website, so take advantage of it now. Click Get My Style Sample Set now, and we'll send it out for you to test before you invest. Go click the link now.